Okay, so I'm just going to show something that I like to do if I'm going to try to get more airflow out of a line. If I have to use nipples, you always want to get with the brass. You don't want to mess around with anything else. Those cheap ones that are steel, even if they're galvanized, they'll rust. Anyway, but we look at these here, and this is a standard bit here, and it's a 3/16 drill bit will fit inside this. Then we look at the other two, which I've increased to 15/64. You just got to take your drill and then step it up from 3/16 and work your way up. Just line it up here, get it in there center, and whoops, let me focus that in there better. Okay, once you got it centered and I'm focused, you just run this through it. And now you've increased the flow and capacity tremendously versus the small one here. Let me see if I can get up here and try to compare the two. It's kind of hard. That's a little better view. You can kind of see right next to it here. I kind of went a few sizes bigger, and from the stock there you can see a little better view here now, the best one. Anyway, that will help your flow quite a bit when you need more air.